Hey there! Thanks for watching this video. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to PracticeSoftwareTesting.com. This demo application is packed with unique features designed to help you go to the next level of software testing. Here is what you can explore. A Dockerized application for seamless local deployment. 5 incremental versions, offering a progressive learning experience. An Angular front-end for a dynamic user interface. A robust RESTful API complete with Swagger documentation. Mailhog email integration for testing email functionalities. Database restore and seeding scripts for efficient data management. And as a bonus, there is even a version with nearly 100 known bugs. Perfect for sharpening your bug hunting abilities. Visit PracticeSoftwareTesting.com and start your software testing journey today.